Yeah. 901 Shelby Drive, look alive, niggas came up on this side. Now they...
If you were a bug, that would be you. Just holding on for dear life.
See that cop?
Nah. Whoa, whoa! Do you reckon you're a distracted driver?
Yeah. Fuck yeah, but I reckon if I focus too much, I'll just get pissed. Oh, did you get that?
Yeah,
Damn.
I got that.
JX Productions, baby.
So after a little half an hour music pumping, bike sales.
They said, dude, you brought your mate to America and all he's got is a 5-speed? We need to address that.
Sheesh! Wow.
The off-road, John.
Arizona Bike Week tomorrow?
Brother!
Shit! Let's go.
It's a real biker shit.
Hazy Bike Week.
Oi!
All the work, now we get to play.
Oi! Oh, I'm getting drunk as hell.
With the fucking lame ass gem on his tooth.
Wait, who's that?
Jake.
Snake the snake, baby.
Is that a snake?
Oh, yeah.
Wow, you gonna punch a few cigarettes through that thing?
Oh, I'm gonna fucking smoke a cigarette as soon as we...
Joey's gonna get on the cigarettes too. And a couple Palomas.
Just smoke while you're riding, bud. That's the
That's what I'm
biker
saying.
way.
That's the whole reason I got a modular now. So when we got a bike week, I can rip a couple ciggies.
Quick one over on the Pan Am. Ticket of approval?
And real quick, put a clutch pack in, and we can hit the road. But it's raining, so fuck it.
JX Productions, baby.
Got too many friends telling Jennifer. I'll just be telling all my brothers, please, tracking that door when you level up. Don't wanna have to be doing our visits and sending you peace cause they hemmed you up. You're getting them high, but please keep it low when doing your thing on your cellular. Don't want you on Obo, I'm telling ya. Got too many friends telling Jennifer. Can't even butt without hearing her buzz. You know that's a fiend on you belling up. We're at a shoot, so he's getting his younger, telling him we're about to send him up. Only do personal link up if it's a man that he deals with on regular.
After you've been seeing this,
Hit that premium button for me, there.
The what?
Hit the premium.
that is a premium, isn't it?
He was about to not hit premium.
Fuck your premium.
I'm on Marketplace. I'm shopping for some dry socks on Marketplace.
Nan's got some. Fuck.
My underwear is soaking wet.
Dude, yeah, I don't even realize, but that was wet. You look like a mechanic. Look at them pants, bro. Wow.
That's what I'm telling them, yo, please check the temp on the weather, bro. Yeah, cause you're making it rain all now, but don't think the feds can't come sweat it up. That's why them rule brothers keep me round, keep it 100, no breading up. Talking investment, business ventures, where they should go if their bread is up. Plus I hold them down if they tell them up.
Oh wow, it's soft as fuck. Kind of nice. Oi. Marvin,
Hey there. How's it going?
say hello to all your fans.
I pissed myself.
That's a really good introduction. Yeah, that's awesome. How far away are we?
Oh, wow.
70 miles.
70 miles. I got that. Have some.
Thanks, this is healthy.
It's a quest bar, 'cause I'm on a fucking quest to get to
It's
Arizona.
fucking cookie dough.
We're in
I'm
here.
gonna try it, too.
The quest to AZ, baby.
They're not good.
They never taste good, but
You've been in Arizona
But
for like
literally
the
tastes
last
like
hour.
cookie dough.
we're in Arizona. This is the kickflip side? Yeah.
He did a tray flip. A 360 kick flip.
He wasn't
Whatever they
pumped.
call it. Yeah. Made it to the second stop. Jake's clutch was slipping. That Fortuna.
Well, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, it wasn't slipping the first time, but it felt shitty.
Yeah.
So I tried to adjust it. Then it was slipping.
We're all a little bit hungover.
we got here.
Oh, dude, we went to the bar last night, and like, honestly, dude, I don't even care. I hope the guy watches this. This straight weirdo, bro. We walk into the bar, and he like locks eyes. There's 5 of us. We sit on a table with 6 chairs, and he saw that open chair, and he knew that's where he was gonna end up.
First round on me. He says he's wobbling in his chair.
Get the most expensive.
Couple of hungover boys in there, but loading up. Jack's put the trailer on. Keen to ride?
Oh yeah.
I'll butt chug this thing.
Gold on here right now.
Really?
Gold.
I'm gonna do a hand drag in the wheel.
Can you? I don't know if you can.
Playing fucking bumper cars with each other. They're fucking bumper cars.
Bro!
Oh my God!
Hey. Hey. Here we go. Reporting live from the west side of the city. What up? Drink flow like somebody coming to get me. I ain't hiding, just got a master plan. 30s in my hands, I'm about to
Yeah, they throwing all them shots just to miss me and miss me. Wasn't supposed to make it this far. Look at my mama like, yo, baby, you lost. Things ain't moving forward, they moving backwards. In your lane, tiptoeing through all the madness. Crack the code, we passed all the classes. Empty seats, we filling up with the masses. Things ain't moving forward, we going backwards. In your lane, tiptoeing through all the madness. Empty seats, we filling up with the masses. They say it couldn't pack, and we packed it, just had to be